done this, we just do a review quickly. What is this represents? Fire, air, space, earth, water. So this is the first ever secret of any mudra learning. Even if you do not remember any of the mudra names, if you remember the core concept, it's much more easier to identify what is an element working in that particular mudra. So just to revise: Agni, Vayu, Akasha, Prithvi, Jala. So this is the first secret for mudra yoga learning. So second secret is, if I adopt some gesture, what I am doing here is, you can tell me, you can message, no problem. We are using the Agni Tattva and Vayu Tattva together. So there is an element of, so this is an element of balance. So second secret of mudra is, you use one or other part of the body in synchrony, especially fingers. When you come to Hasta Mudra, you are using this as a synchrony. Synchrony of what? In this case, it is a Jnana Mudra, where we say you are balancing the Agni Tattva and Vayu Tattva together. This is very interesting. So this is the second secret. So secret is balance. So this means balance. In that same way, balance, 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 balance. See this. Yes. So there is a balance of different elements. Each finger represents one element and you are trying to balance some of them. So that is one form of mudra. Second, if I use my fingers in another way, if I use like this, so now you understand. Little more advanced is, when I say this is Agni, on the tip I'll say more Agni, medium Agni, less Agni. Index finger, more Vayu, medium Vayu, less Vayu. Middle finger, more, upper tip of the middle finger, more Akasha, middle part medium Akasha, lower part less Akasha. When you use the ring, same concept. High Prithvi, medium Prithvi, lower less Prithvi. When you use little finger, high water element, medium and lower. So when you do some gesture like this, I told you the secret already. What exactly we are doing here? What we are doing here is, I am using the highest form, highest element of my Agni Tattva and onto the Prithvi. So you imagine at the back of your mind, Agni Tattva is like fire. Fire, you remember earth element like a wood. Just remember like a wood. Fire and wood, what happens? So there is a increase in the combustion of burning or combustion of Prithvi. So let me repeat again if it is lost. I am using the tip of my thumb to the base of the ring finger. The name of this mudra is Aditi Mudra. It's not Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi Mudra is this, balance. Aditi Mudra. Aditi is detox. Detox of what? Three elements. Mala, Mutra, Sweda. In Ayurveda, Mala, Mutra, Sweda. So sweat, urine and defecation. These three. So Aditi Mudra can be used for detox along with Virechana or other process you are doing, Panchakarma. So in the context when we are discussing, I am not exclusively focusing on just Yoga Mudra. It is connecting to Ayurveda. It is connecting to the psychology. So this is the beauty. So first secret is, each finger represents one element. Second, each finger represents one element. Second secret is, when I join fingers together, so tip of each touching each other, it is a balance. When I use the tip of my thumb touch the base of ring finger, I am using one element overpowering the other element, either to increase or decrease. So this is increasing the Prithvi element, increasing the Prithvi element that can be used for weight reduction or detox and all those. So there is something interesting in this. So fourth one, last one is when I fold some finger and put other finger on the top. So what exactly happening is learning about mudra, just what is this mudra and how where it is used, all the informations are, most of them are available when you Google it out. But this is something very interesting. When you fold this, what you are doing, you are reducing the vayu and then overpowering with Agni. See that concept. And if I use like this, this will become Hridaya Mudra. If I just leave like this and use this, this is Vayu Mudra. Okay. So just to revise,